Good morning, students. Now open chapter 2 inverse trigonometric functions. Now in exercise 2.1 we have to solve some questions. We are going to good morning, students. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.1 of inverse trigonometric functions. Now in exercise 2.1 question find the principal value of the following question number 1 sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So let sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. So sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. And we know that minus sin theta is equal to sin minus theta. So we can write it sin y is equal to sin minus pi by 6. And in case of sin inverse sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, so you can write minus sin pi by 6. In place of minus sin pi by 6 you can write sin minus pi by 6. Clear? So we know that the range of the principal value branch of sin inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and minus pi by 6 is lying between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Then we can write sin minus pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and principal value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 6. Clear? Now next question number 5. Find the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Let cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. So cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3. And we know that cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So minus cos pi by 3 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 3. Clear? तो cos, because cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. तो you can write minus cos theta is equal to cos pi minus theta. Clear? तो cos y is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Now we know that range of the principal value branch of cos inverse of cos inverse is 0 to pi and 2 pi by 3 is lying between 0 to pi. So cos 2 pi by 3 will be minus 1 by 2 and cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 2 pi by. Now question number 11. Find the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Now tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 3 and sin inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as sin minus pi by 6. Sin minus pi by 6. Clear? Now tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. Firstly write tan inverse tan pi by 4 again. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus pi minus pi by 3 will be 2 pi by 3. So cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse sin minus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 plus minus pi by 6. So pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 plus minus will be minus. Now LCM will be 12. Then 3 pi plus 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 8 pi minus 6 2 ja 12, 2 pi. तो 11 pi minus 2 pi upon 12, 9 pi by 12 3 3 जा 3 4 जा, तो इक्वल टू 3 पाई बाई 4 इज द आंसर. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 12. Find the value of cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 can be written as cos 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3 plus 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. So this will be equal to cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, and here pi by 3 is lying between 0 to pi. So pi by 3 2 into, in case of sin, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, pi by 6 lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this will be equal to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. So now students, you have to solve all questions of exercise 2.1. Thank you.